them get through. Look, let them get through and up. All right, come on, we'll let you go in front. And don't start. Oh, we got a little wide back, that's good. Go ahead, you got this. Wait, is that what you want me to do? Oh. Move those feet. Pull your arm forward. Come on. Get your back down. Get them flat on your stomach. Get flat on your stomach. Come on, Matt. Get flat on your stomach. Pull your step up with your arms. Come on. Come on. That's what you've been working out for. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good, baby. Come on.